These are Govee Outdoor Triad floodlights, the upgraded model over the last year's model. They have dynamic lighting, expansive illumination range and flexible adjustment, stable and durable design, plenty of lighting effects, and other features. Let's take a look. Before we begin, this is a brand new Govee product that currently retails for $149.99 on Amazon. Check out the links in the video description if you're interested. The device comes in a colorful box, and inside it you can find everything you need to get started: the lights, power cable and adapter, ground spikes, and some paperwork. I love the design and excellent build quality. The lights have a robust metal housing that is built to last, and it helps with heat dissipation. Everything feels super solid, and I'm sure that these lights will serve me for years, just like other Govee outdoor and indoor products that I reviewed before. I also found the lights to be very stable no matter where I put them. You can adjust the horizontal angle of the lights by hand. For vertical axis adjustment, you need to use an included Allen key. This gives you a lot of flexibility and creativity for outdoor lighting, a huge advantage over regular floodlights. The three separate unfolded lamp bodies merge to produce awesome reflective lighting patterns and shadows of light. Compared to the old model that I reviewed last year, and I still use it every day, the Govee Triad floodlight offers a higher brightness and a wider illumination range. While Govee floodlights are good for small-range applications or landscape lighting, the Govee Triad lights illuminate expansive outdoor areas with ease. I found the stand to be very strong, and you can mount the lights by simply putting the Triad on any surface. However, if you want more stability on soft ground or grass, you can use the included mounting spikes. The lights and the controller are waterproof, so you can use them in any weather. The adapter is IP44 rated. One of the key features: enhanced brightness and color diversity. These are definitely the brightest smart floodlights I've tested, with a whopping 4500 lumens of brightness. They are much brighter than the older model. As a result, you get a wide coverage area of up to 430 square feet or 40 square meters. As you can see, the lights are very bright and they illuminate my backyard great no matter where I put them. The lights offer up to 16 million colors, which enables plenty of dynamic lighting effects controlled using the Govee Home app. I also found this built-in light diffuser to be very useful in even light distribution. There are no dark spots or light inconsistencies. Lastly, these lights are compatible with a motion sensor. I've been using the Govee Home app for years, and everything feels familiar. First, you can choose from quite a few solid color options. You can apply the color you like to the whole light or to one of the three segments. That means that you can select a different color for each light. You can also adjust the brightness, color temperature, set a timer, and so on. However, the most fun part of the app is a huge collection of scenes that would take me at least 10 minutes to show them all. All of them look awesome, and you can definitely find the one you like. One of my favorite features: the music mode. The lights sync to the music being played. You can control the new and the old lights together. One of my favorite features of using the new and the old lights together: Dream View mode. There are plenty of scenes that unleash the full potential of these lights. In summary, Govee did it again, and they released yet another awesome lighting product that is a nice addition to my setup. I love the design, build quality, superb brightness, and the overall feature set. So far, these Govee Outdoor Triad floodlights have been working perfectly, and I can easily recommend them. If you're interested in picking them up, check out the links in the video description down below. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about these lights. Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.